Hello everyone. In continuation with the Thinking Machine series, I would like to introduce another point of view for building thinking machines. You should look at my earlier video series to get better context and continuity, which will help you get into learning groove. An architecture becomes real only when it has a calculus, a formal language describing how states evolve over time and what transitions are admissible or forbidden. The OLCA calculus is minimal. It introduces only what is necessary to define intelligence as a lawful process. The global system state is a tuple, but each component evolves under different rules. OLCA is not a flat state machine. Only the environment updates observation. No internal reasoning can fabricate observations. The layer performs predictive compression. It never reasons, plans, or acts. Cognition integrates abstraction into a persistent belief state and generates counterfactual trajectories. Simulation produces candidates, not actions. This is the formal separation between thinking and acting. The action layer is a commitment operator, not a generator. It selects or refuses based on cognition. Refusal is not an error. It is a valid and often correct outcome in the calculus. These forbidden transitions are what make OLCA safe. If any are allowed, the calculus collapses. Thinking must be slower than sensing, and acting slower than thinking. This prevents reflexive execution. This invariant defines thinking without acting in formal terms. True cognition requires holding incompatible futures without collapse. OLCA ensures graceful degradation instead of catastrophic amplification. Learning updates functions, never the calculus itself. This prevents reward hacking, unsafe shortcuts, and representational collapse. The calculus itself is immutable. Only parameters may change. This trace demonstrates safe non-action as a correct outcome. These guarantees are not empirical, they are properties of the calculus. Once intelligence is expressed as a calculus, safety and cognition stop being hopes and become guarantees. OLCA does not claim to be the final theory of intelligence. It claims that any theory or system that ignores functional stratification between observation, abstraction, cognition, and action will inevitably reproduce the same failure modes, at greater scale and risk. As such, OLCA reframes AI progress as an architectural discipline rather than an exercise in emergence. I am now happy to take any questions in comments. I will further share the more insights and details about how to build thinking machines and underlying principles in my coming video series. Please subscribe my channel and like the video so that I can bring interesting insights and updates on thinking machines.